This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, today is the recruitment, right?
Yeah, today recruitment. You said yes. Today's yeah.
Okay. Yes. So recruitment procedure starting from vacancy, right?
Yes.
So vacancy should be there. Vacancy should be filled. Vacancies has its own job description, right? The positions called that we already created positions there. So in which we have to discuss the job description or task. Task means what to be, what are the activities to be done in the job. Okay, that is called work list also. You can say this in the simple scenario. It is individual employee work list. Okay. So here that applications whenever it is fallen sick, vacancy. So that can be filled with the internal recruitment or external recruitment, right? So internal recruitment means if anybody is there on promotion, you can give the promotion to the employees if already working there who are eligible. That is requisite, the education qualifications and experience. If not there, if management think that you are taking that from outside, so it will go for external recruitment, right? So it's called external recruitment, and calling the biodatas from the outside through advertisement. So you should give advertisement. It is old fashioned. It is in the 1995 at the time. So in the newspaper there is one page, totally one page for appointments or vacancies or opportunities like that. Okay, so in that if you give advertisement, it will take much cost also. So nowadays also we have to pay for this access also for Naukri or job portals, etc. Right? But this company is not taking care about this. Okay, so nowadays this has been given for some agencies, recruitment agencies. So they will call for the actual requirement. What actually requirement is there? Based on that, they will call for the various
Yeah.
CVs or
Mm.
biodatas.
Yeah.
So once they done this, and they will also go to scrutinizing, and also they will conduct if first interview also. Apart from that, if you have only one vacancy, that you can take nearly 50 to 60 vacancy CVs. Apart from that, you can select only 10 CVs. So that 10
Mm.
CVs have to be sent to this organization. So that was also
Okay.
there. So
Yeah.
actually here what happens here, this old, so we are giving the advertisement in the newspaper directly and getting the applicants. So whenever you get applicants, that applicants are being, the data is being maintained in the company itself. So some applications also received from the unsolicited applications. So what is unsolicited? What is solicited? So here the question is solicited means requested. So
Requested. Yeah.
requested through any activity, that is anything. So unsolicited
Okay.
means without advertisement, without reference of the company. So some people will give
Not
their
submitting a resume
biodata.
on the portal.
Yes, they will submit some resumes. So if the vacancies arises, if this requirement is also there, so if it's available, then we call up. So for which you can maintain unsolicited applicant data also.
Oh, okay.
So this is called application pool. Pool means set many applications are there in that box or anything. So this is from these applications, these outside applications or inside applications or external applications through the advertisement, anything. So you can
Mm.
maintain all application administration or applicant data. So once this application data is being maintained, so apart from that, you can select any few, very few for conducting of interviews. Okay. So that
Yeah.
purpose you need to maintain application data, and if the employee is selected out of 10 members, so his data only be you know maintained in the HR master data, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, this is unnecessary job here because if you have only one requirement, only one CV you need, but you calling nearly 10 to 20 CVs. Also
Mm.
maintaining this employee data, application data in a SAP tool, right? So
Yeah.
you no need to maintain these all unnecessary activities because you are going to recruiting only one person. So you can maintain directly in the employee data, personal administration, PA30.
Okay.
But this
Mm.
is a procedure for the purpose of this long process. So we are going to implementing this, SAP implementation for existing company.
Yeah. Yeah.
Already the existing company having nearly 1000 employees, 2000, 5000. That is inventory here. So
Yeah.
next you have any vacancies are there. So vacancies are given for outside. Only conducting interview at our level, that is first level, second level, third level. So once it is done, if you select any person, can maintain directly master data. So there is no need to of maintaining of application data. Okay. Anyhow, that SAP is providing you that data should be maintained, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us see the what are the applications: rejection of a contact offer, acceptance of contact offer, confirmation of your receipt, invitation. So
Yeah.
notification that application is on hold. So sometimes some applications also on hold before conducting interview.
Yeah.
Rejection, contact offer. So these are the many activities are coming in the next classes. Okay. So now there is cycle. Yes. Please write down this is cycle. Uday, I have received right that documentation totally.
Oh yeah, the Word document that you sent, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay. Right. So go through that notes. Okay. Right.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah.
is available there. Yes. So if vacancies arises, starting from vacancies arises, where you can maintain job description, and that job description should be given in the respected newspapers, that is advertisement,
Mhm.
for what are the skills you need, what are the competences you need, what is educational qualifications you need. So totally you can give that. So next you can go to applications. So you are receiving many applications. So that applications have to be match up with your requirement, right? Sometimes is over qualification, sometimes less qualification. Okay, sometimes skills are not there. So apart from 10 to 20 applications, you can go to take only 5 applications, right? That is match up. So if the profiles are matching, so the skills are matching, so go to conducting of interviews. And if the interview process, selection process is completed, then select one person. That person should be hired here. After hiring, he should be allotted to department division. Okay. So this is vacancy, advertisement, applications, matchup, okay, selection
Yeah.
process, hiring process,
Mm.
and allotment to the department. So this is cycle.
Okay.
Right? Done?
Mm.
Okay.
So interview scheduling doesn't happen here, right?
It will be there in the inner process,
Oh, acha, acha,
that is
okay,
the
got it.
inner
Okay.
process. Inner process. Here is
Acha,
process
so
is
these
there,
are the
right?
main. These are the main
This is
prototypes, and those are the sub
yes,
prototypes.
yeah. Selection process is there. You can select which is suited requirement here. This is and you interview and taken
Mm.
hiring allotment. So in
Okay,
between there is a
got it.
process what you said. Okay.
Okay.
So how many positions are there? So you can take that for advertisement purpose. If you give an advertisement in newspaper, at that time it will cost up 10,000, 20,000. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
whenever
yeah.
that person is going for advertisement in the newspapers, so you should select your company history should be there. Company requirement should be there. So for example, you have the vacancies in HR department, sales department, finance department, production department, marketing department, anything. So you can give all what do you call requirements at a time, only once in a paper, so that you can get very economical for you also, not to giving each and every time the notifications, right?
Yeah.
So that is a process. Now this is a just old process when it's 90 to 95 to 2000. So once a 2000 has comes, So so many agencies have been, coming to market. So they are doing this on job portal side. So from
Hmm.
2001, 2002, 2005 up to also there, but after that is not there. Nowadays
Hmm.
newspapers are nobody is seeing. Okay, right. Now let us see how to create a position. How to create the position. So that is our activity and allotment of activity. So this is only activity. So here overall status to be hide, vacancy assignment status to be hide, and vacancies assignment status should be rejected by the person if he is not interested. So again, you can call the second person, right?
Okay.
So these
Yep.
are the
Yep.
processes. Yes, this is one by one. Maintain application data and transfer the whatever the application data is being maintained to directly employee data, employee files.
Uh,
So that process is internal, I know, integration is there, right? So this is only
uh,
discussion.
so I'm just trying to draw a parallel to success factors. So similarly, there is no onboarding process here, is it?
Onboarding is not there.
Okay.
Onboarding is there. That is called your forms, generating HR forms.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Onboarding is for HR forms is there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
For each
now
of the geography.
let us see each of
No, onboarding for each of the geographies is there. Huh?
onboarding means
No, HR forms
onboarding.
for each of the geographies.
Oh no, onboarding is actually what you will do after
Hmm.
hiring. Onboarding, how many applications, how many forms to be filled. So
Huh.
what is actually the company looking for? So what is the company goal? So induction training including also onboarding. So everything
No,
that
so
forms generation, yes,
for example, in success factors, HR forms would be like PF form, gratuity form, and all in India.
yes,
Similarly,
yes,
for
yes, yes.
yeah, for UK, it will be
Even
national insurance. Australia, it will be
yes,
CPF.
every
So like
country,
that.
yes,
Okay.
every country has its own forms.
Set of forms.
Different
Okay.
Indian
Okay.
payroll, different farms. UK payroll, different
Yeah.
farms. US is a different farms. Okay,
Okay.
even memos, charge sheets, retirement orders, so
Yeah. Yeah.
termination orders. So everything
Hmm.
should be coming on the farms only. Okay. Yes.
And these
So
forms are
now let
customized. These forms are customized or standard
yes,
forms.
yes, yes. Now standard forms will be there. You can customize it. You can modify also.
Okay.
So for
Okay.
example, take payslip. Payslip is you can go to customize.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
add your emblem or your logo, company logo should be added, right?
Okay.
And you can
Yep.
also
Yep.
design as per the requirement also. So that can be also customized according to need of the that company. So they will give that the format they will give you. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
the name will be there like that. Everything logo where left side logo, right side logo, middle, or your water
Oh,
print also will be there in there. So
and
different
those
kinds of payrolls
customization
are
of
there.
forms will be done by ABAP team, right?
Related to HR department only. HR people, SAP HR people is one of the additional subject generating of forms.
No, but customizing the forms will be done by ABAP, right?
No, above HR people also can do that.
Oh, okay.
HR people also can do
Sure.
because it related to HR department only. Okay,
Okay.
right. So now let
Okay.
us see the SPRO, ING,
Yeah.
PM,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
recruitment,
Okay.
basic things, no need. So go to write down workforce requirement and advertising, PM directly, right? So go to SPRO, IMG, personal management, recruitment, directly go to create workforce requirement and advertising. So in
Okay.
that, go to create. Go to create. So go
Okay.
to create the positions here. So what are the vacancies are to be there? You can update the vacancies here. So yesterday you created a number of vacancies,
Yeah, yeah,
right? So that are
yeah.
all positions. So what is the number that? Have you remember anything? Numbers.
Mm, no.
Okay. So that is company name is Ford, right? Ford.
Yeah. Mhm. No. Mm,
Take position F
F executive. Huh?
FCO.
Okay. Why? Okay.
FCO.
Okay.
So ask me numeric number. So numeric number
Mhm.
50001112. This one there. Okay. So if you want to check that, just to go to that, creating another
Mhm.
screen. It is you can use here. That is human resource management, time management. So go to expert mode, simple maintenance, change.
Hmm. Mm. 19. Okay. Hmm.
Right. So one the 500001.
1984.
No, no. See
1984.
that. Write down. Write down. Yeah, 1984.
Yeah. Yeah.
Five triple
Hmm.
zero 1984.
Yeah.
Right. So if you
Yeah.
go with the year, so 50001984.
000. One more zero.
Now 5000
1984.
1984.
Why is it not coming?
5000.
1984. Okay.
Where are you? Your payroll is yes payroll, right?
US. Yeah. 10. 10. Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Not showing. Object type is yes. Hmm. 1984.
Mhm. Scroll up. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. I think if you scroll up, we'll find it. 18. No, no, no. Before screen. No, no, you're going up. No, you're scrolling up. No, you have to scroll down, I think.
Hmm.
Okay, you're searching for something. 5,000. No, no, up.
Sequence is misleading. Creating
Complete
is there.
sequences.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Why is it not available?
So everything is there. I created other also here. So see here, I have created Google GCEO is there. Deloitte CEO is also there.
Hmm.
Okay, in here you can write there. These vacancies have been
Hmm.
created in OM. Okay, if you want to create new one, so please select here. So
Okay.
select here that your organizational
Hmm.
key also yes position, the
Hmm.
position number 1984, start date, end date, and the job 5001983.
110, 110. 84. No.
83 is the job, 84 is position.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
So saying that is not there.
1945 is whose is 1945? Not ours, huh? 1945 is not ours. No, no, no. I don't think. No. 2082 is ours only, I think. No, 2082 executive. I think we can't see details.
We
Huh?
have our series is 19, so you have not created 82 positions, right? You created 30 only.
Oh, okay, that way. Okay, oh, sequential. Okay.
So take anything here, go to enter. Yes, it is going to save this. Actually, it has to be shown there, but is not available right now. So reasons are not known. But this is recreated. CEO. Now this is a job. Either you can go with this way, reverse way. Otherwise, you can go with the OM only. OM is correct way.
That is the right way. Okay, got it.
Right. Now save it. Now let us go to back. Right. Now create media.
Hmm.
Create media. So here there are AP, two are P and AP, two activities are there. So whether you are going for, you know, press, that is external activity or internal activity. So now let us go to add, create here. So take any number here.
Okay.
Here I'm taking just 55. So take this is, one is internal, one is external. Okay, so it is Ford external,
Yeah.
Ford external. So calling explanation from outside. Okay. So here that is calling for internal applications. So
Okay.
take number, if these numbers are not matched, you can also change the match numbers. So why you need to take in this is what are the application classes, applicant classes. There are two classes are there. So please add any of them. So this is P internal applications. So we are just
Okay.
giving only this one, the value, and this is for AP for application value from outside. So
Okay.
yeah, save it. This is available. These two numbers.
Okay.
Number is not mandatory. You can take any number. So system saying that. So what is internal? What is external? So calling the applications from internal only. Internal implies.
Employee
Okay.
referral.
So you can put the AP. If you calling through outside, through agencies, through job portals, through advertisement, anything. So it maintain that purpose AP. So that is external
Okay.
applications.
So Ajay, internal means employee referrals or IJPs.
Internal is calling the applications from internal by giving notification in the company only.
Okay. So it's an internal job posting. Internal employees
Yes,
only can apply.
yeah, internal applications means our employees only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So if it is calling
Got it.
outside the CVs, say that it is AP. Okay. So now
Okay.
save it. So next activity, create instrument. Create
Okay.
recruitment instrument. So this is for outside only, external. Okay. So new
Okay.
entries, take any 55. Take this. This is print media. This is
Hmm.
print media and give print media. Word print media. We can take yes that only. So maintain what is the you created just now. So that 55 value, 56 value for calling explanation from outside. Address is New York. Okay. So what is per year? Newspaper is so 55 already there.
Okay.
Take
Okay.
any number. Done. There. It is there. Okay. Cancel. Save it. Now save it. Saved it. Okay. So now I'm calling explanation from media. And you can also maintain other also here. If you want to go with the New York Times,
Hmm.
so maintain that New York Times also, all 555.
Okay.
New York Times newspaper. Because it's
Okay.
external,
Yeah.
save it. Now let us go to that. So instrument address is no need actually. So we already maintain address there only. So this is
So
something,
basically,
this,
this is as per the blueprint. The customer will tell us what are the current
ah,
sources and sub sources.
ah, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now let us maintain applicant administration. So create personal officer means recruitment officer, hiring
Okay.
manager, hire manager. Okay,
Okay.
create a hire manager. If you go with this, so you have already created, right? Four. Yes. You already created four master data in charge, payroll in charge, recruitment in charge. He is a recruitment.
Oh, got it. Okay.
So it is coming from pinch feature. Okay.
Okay.
So we already added this one and it is already uploaded in the 001 info type also. So he is a
Hmm.
person is Ajay is a recruiter, recruitment manager, administrator. Otherwise, you want to create new. Yes. Go to create new.
New
Group is
entries.
Ford.
Okay.
Ford group. So this is called your Ford recruitment hiring
Recruitment administrator. FRI.
administrator.
Okay.
Hiring. Already put this there.
Okay.
So here you can add Ford
Hmm.
hiring admin. So title, Mr. Telephone number, Uday. Okay, enter. So by the way also you can create, or you can also, which already created also will be showing there. Because group is same. Group is same. So this is applicant
Hmm.
administrator officer. So next you can go to create applicant structure. So create different application groups. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can create application groups. So you can create anything else is okay. Go to create code, code, code application group. Okay. So which
Okay.
is whether it's internal or external. It is external application group, right? So this application group as contains applicant ranges. Yeah, create applicant ranges.
Yeah.
Okay. So go to create new. So this is FF. So here FS. So for sales applications range.
Hmm.
FH for HR department applications.
Okay.
For finance department. So this is the range we are maintaining here for finance.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
So let us go to back. So now create unsolicited applications group. For you
Oh,
can
okay.
create separate group to store the whatever the data here. So I'm taking 61061. So that is for unsolicited
Okay.
group.
Hmm.
So save it. So now let us go to applicant selections. Okay.
Okay.
So maintain status, actions, etc. So maintain. Change
Hmm.
status text. Change status text.
Okay.
Please write down and go to select here. So status range is already there. It is company created. That application is in process. Application to be hired. That application is
Okay.
on hold. That application is rejected. That application now it is contract offer.
Okay. Okay.
So up to 5 enough.
Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. True. Hmm.
So it is only we are maintaining the status on the application.
Okay.
So sometimes when you attend interview, they will say that yes, interview is completed, otherwise applications are received, but it is on hold.
Yeah.
So why hold? So they already called applications as having
Hmm.
their requirements. So it was also urgency, and also they said within 1 month also can you report it. So that also we done. Interview not done. If interview done, so after that it is in hold because of so many reasons. Now that requirement is not to fill. Otherwise, financial, department approval has not come, or CEO has not approved, but process started. Okay, once approval is receiving, that will be released. So in between that, it is on hold only. So some applications already given, notification, received applications, but not to be hide. To be hide it is. Still it is, the process is going on, right? For example, it started. So if you know that that application is in process, so the further intimation will be, informed. Okay. So after that also go to contact offer. Earlier that we already, maintain that regular appointment, but due to not, the project has not come, so they will ask him for if you join on the contract basis for 3 months or 6 months. So it's also clear. Otherwise, that application is rejected at any level.
Okay.
It is scrutinized level or higher qualifications or lower qualifications, or now they are no need to go for recruitment process. So your application is being rejected. So these are the statuses are to be maintained on the application, right?
Yeah.
So this is called applicant administration.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, done. So if you done this, why the reason for on hold? So that also we should maintain. So let us maintain that. Create status reasons.
Okay. Okay.
Create status reason. So reasons are to be added. Just you not don't maintain that only status. Along with status, you can also maintain reason also.
Reason.
So maintain.
Okay.
Yes. These also pre-defined one SAP. Still you want you can create by going new entries. That is not a big issue. Okay, now
Okay.
let us see the first one is insufficient qualification. Right. So you have not received that appropriate qualified candidates. Okay. So now the second one is formal error. Okay, any error. So overqualified. So additional qualifications are more. So some companies are looking that, so who has a more qualifications are not accepted because he will have so many opportunities in future, right? He may
Yeah.
leave. So
Yeah.
retention of employee also very important. So after taking
Yeah.
training, after working 6 months, again if he left your job, again you need to search a person. So most
Yeah.
of the companies are not taking overqualified also. So asking for B.Tech, if you M.Tech, so definitely that application will be rejected. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's helpful. Yeah, I'm not saying that the overqualification is not adverse, to the that employee candidate, but some companies are thinking that way also. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. They're very particular.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, now let us go to overqualified new application. So right now this application is new. So now no requirement. Okay. They have given, but now it is not there.
Yeah.
Okay. That also there. Okay. So please write down these all, and if it is okay, I will go to matchup.
Okay. Yeah. I have taken a screenshot. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So let us come to maintain that. Set permissible status reason for each applicant status. So this applicant status, this is reasons are to be matched up. Set permissibility status reason for applicant status.
What is the difference between the reasons that we created now and this one?
Setup, match up,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
matching
Okay.
up,
Okay.
matching status plus reason.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Application
Okay.
status with the application reason should be match up.
Okay.
And now let us go to setup permissibility for status reason and with the
Oh,
status.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
Now this is status is there. So see, this application is in process because of new application. So this is to be hired, not match up the skills. It is on hold because of overqualification. It is on hold, now no requirement. It is on hold, not match up the skills.
Got it.
Rejected,
Yeah. Yeah.
insufficient qualifications. As enough, these are so already there. You want to create, just to go to new entities and take whatever the status and whatever the reason and same add it.
Okay.
So this is basic configuration and
Okay.
save it. Go to back. Yes. So this is also we have a separate, uh, feature. Feature also there for assignment of the status regions and overall status also can be
Okay.
created under the feature. The feature, but it is already assigned here. So this status, is there that overall status and overall vacancy assignment status should be maintained. So this is under process to be hide, on hold, rejected, contact offer, contact. Everything is ready. No need to create anything here. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
right now this is only one process feature for statute decision making tree. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now last activity today. So you can also give the priority basis. So which
Okay.
is very priority for us. So just to maintain priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4. So
Priority
you
for
can
the
also mention,
priority not for the candidate, no?
no, application.
Application. Okay. Okay.
Yes, priority applications are to be maintained, which is vacancy. So
Meaning position.
subtype characteristics for vacancy assignments. So which a vacancy right now is very urgent to fill
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay.
So that is priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, 4 are there. Okay, so this is basic configuration and each application should have its own number. So you should
Okay.
maintain number ranges, number assignments and maintenance of application data by the end user. So
Got it.
for
Yeah.
which end user training, end user manual should be given. Clear?
Okay.
So
Yep.
that activity tomorrow we will finish up this and also we'll discuss if you have time for the personal administration also.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, right. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thanks, Ajay. Bye bye.
to
This
create company
conference will
code.
Yes,
now
sir.
be
And sir,
recorded.
you want us to remind you that you will show the blueprint today.
Okay, okay, right. Okay, I will show that. Okay, so blueprint. Blueprint. Project ABC project is there. ABC project. Yeah, mini project for SapHR. Just to understand this, how you can gather the requirement. Yes. So this is first page. Okay. So you can maintain like index also. Actual the company status strategics are to be maintained. Purpose and objects, training and event management, time management, staff movement, loan policy. Okay. So go to appraisals, health and safety policies, and payroll policies. So these are the activities are there. So you can create. Okay. So now let us see. This is one of the document I will send you. This is purpose and what is the object here. So what are the activities are there for recruitment process. So for each and every separate activities are to be maintained, right? For you need to create separate business blueprint for your recruitment. Okay, recruitment and also maintain recruitment area. So these are the reports to be getting and this is training development. So time management, mainly maintaining your working hours. So how many working hours required? 40 hours, 5-day week. So this is referring that is Labor Act 1992. This is additional, I think. The old Labor Act is there. Okay. So according to that, you need to maintain 40 hours only. So maintain the breaks also. So that is a break for 12 to 12:30 and another tea break at 3:15 to 3:30, right? So here that actual your office starting from morning 9:30 to 5:30. So totally 8 hours, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 hours. So shifts also can be maintained like this. So absenteeism policy. Okay. So if you, people are coming late, so late attendance policy, so it will be treated as absent also. So some policies also there when employee 2 days late, so it treated as 1 CL will be cutting. Some companies are there if employee coming 3 days late in the month, so 1 CL will be cutting, right? So there are separate policies what I explained you, and also the employee's attendance also. So attendance means daily attendance. So according to work schedule, employee clock in clock out timings, we should maintain that employee attendances. In the attendances also we can divide that is one is events, training and daily attendance. Three will be there. So late deduction policy. Yes, what I said right now. So reaching the office between 9:30 to 10. If employee coming that 3 times in a month will be allowed. And after that, that half day salary will be cutting. So what I said, you need to visit the company and take all the policies by giving your whatever the questionnaire is there. So questionnaire should also be given because they know very well. They have their own handbooks. So there the particular regulation books, office manual. So everything will be they have own books also there. So that is entire covering all requirements also. So that is it. That requirement is converted into our system. Okay. So reaching the office half an hour start time, so will be considered as half day. So leaving office before 2 hours will be considered half day. So leaving 1.5 hour is permissible, once it is permitted if it is too genuine. Okay. So leave statuses. What are the leaves are there? So you have the privilege leave, earned leave, sick leave, casual leave, maternity leave, paternity leave. So coming to the maternity paternity standard, these are the statutory provisions. According to government policy, you should give that day, that leaves. So maternity leave, if it is 180 days right now, earlier it was 120 days for women employees. That should be certified by the doctor, and will they will give one undertaking also. So when leave will be sanctioned, that before the delivery date, the date delivery, that certification also will be coming to us. And also go to maintain paternity leave. Paternity leave means it is given to his husband. Okay, so for which you have to maintain paternity leaves, maternity leaves. And staff also different here. So some people are getting more leaves, some people are getting less leaves also. So workers and here the office staff. Okay, so different kinds of workers are attracted for even that is Factories Act if it is manufacturing company. So that office employees, office in office working in the office people are attracted to the Shops and Establishment Act. So that is administrative offices, right? So in offices you don't have any shift duties, but when coming to the your Factories Act, so there we have the shift duties. It is continuous process manufacturing unit. If it is manufacturing unit, it is a continuous process 24/7. Okay, so you have to create three shifts. Morning shift starting from morning 9 to afternoon 2, and second shift will be evening shift will be there. That is 2 o'clock to night 10 o'clock, and night 10 to morning 6 o'clock. Continuation batch. So and also give the rotation batches also will be there. Implies rotation. That's it. Right. So this is leave policies are to be configured. Casual leave policy. How many leaves? You are eligible for 9 leaves. So that is for one calendar year. Okay. So annual leaves. So we will give the 20 years in a year. So in recent my company, so they are giving this is 12. So each month, if on the pro rata basis also in the starting 1 month if you work, you will eligible for take one leave. So that's why 12 leaves, and earning leaves is called 24. So monthly too, it will earning to you. Okay. Sick leaves, 66 leaves, but how many are there? Here they have been 9. According to Act of ESI Act, so 9 leaves are eligible. Medical leaves yearly. Okay. So maternity leaves. So it is Maternity Benefit Act 1961. According to that, 12 weeks. 12 weeks means how many? Yeah, 120 days. Right? Is it correct? Let me check. 12 into 8. 96 days. Okay, but this is old policy, is old document. So nowadays we are giving 120 or 180 days, 6 months leave. So you should create the calendar, holiday calendar. How many holidays are there? 18 holidays are there giving for you. Okay, so date wise, month wise, how many leaves are coming? Staff movement, transfers, these are actions, hiring, transfer, promotion, demotion. This policy should also be written in the business blueprint. Okay. So traveling allowance, traveling advances. So employees going for any pilgrimage, any sightseeing, so some amount will be given, advance amounts. Okay. So loan policy. So that is different housing loan. but nowadays nobody is giving. Maximum 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. It's not coming anything right now. So at least 50,000, 50 lakhs. So EME, any amount you received any with interest EME also there. So health policy, okay, a payroll policy. So basic pay, HRE 50%, conveyance allowance percentage, provident fund, gratuity, ESI, bonus, deductions, income tax deductions. Okay, so managerial category is different again. So it is 40% managerial category. So this is what HRA 50% paid the house rent allowance to all employees. Okay, so this employees. So when coming to the managerial category, 40%, but it is not true. City compensation is 10%. So they are giving 10% for city there is no city compensation, CCA. So your car allowance, special allowances. So basic salaries, house rent allowance 40 for staff and workers, 40%, and conveyance allowance is rupees 800. So this is for bus charges. Education allowance will be given, washing allowance will be given, night shift allowance will be given, special allowance will be given, and generate reports. So this is small. So you can understand based on this. It is okay for you? Any question on this? Please. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to share this template with us?
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
same
I'll
question.
give that document. Yes.
Oh, okay,
I will
fine, sir.
share you tomorrow. Yes, yes.
Fine,
So
sir.
now how to create a company. So that is today's job actually. So let us see that how to create these activities. So training. So that is document number 543. Yes, this is login setup. I already explained you. So R by 3 units. So easy access screen. So these are some on command bar, title bar, standard toolbar, application toolbar. Okay. So status bar, transaction codes along with your functions. Okay. F1 key, F4 key, library also there for wherever you want to discuss something, you can have the old one. So create personal data, basic pay, planned working timings, compensation management, and organizational data. These are the elements of human resource management. So payroll manager, benefit manager, time administrators, employee self-service if employee is provided with the username and password, and manager generic, human resource administrator. Employees. So you have to create like such a company. So this is your highest identity. These are two other branches. Again, each branch has a number of branches. So if you have that branches are different branches, you will go to regional statutory deductions. So this is your screen where you can create company code. Company code means what? It's a product. Personal area. This is frank cost. Cost center, financial activity to record your expenditure. And this is your personal number, personal area, sub area, central zone, and also go to create corporate office business area. So this is ES, PS, OS. So enterprise structure, personal structure, and enterprise structure. So different structures are to be maintained along with your administrators also. So names will be showing here, right? So this is a company. That what I explained you right now. ABC International. These are products. Product A, product B, product C. Again, this product A is there in A location, B location, C location, D location. This is called personal area. And sub-locations again in the same, you can maintain, this is called your headquarters. Please draw the picture. Hello? Done? So this is totally infrastructure. Company, company code, personal area, person sub areas. These four called as ES, enterprise structure.
I'm a mother, sister, daughter, and a wife.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, sir. Is there any problem, sir?
Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
1 minute. Yes. Yeah, Krishna, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, class has been stuck, sir. Like, I think my side network
Done
issues are used
done
probably,
it?
sir. Done, done.
I'm not getting your voice. Please chat box.
Done, sir. Done.
Krishna, tell me. Done? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I pinged you.
You can use chat box. I'm not getting your voice, Krishna.
Yeah, I'm using it already.
Done. Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Done, sir. Okay, okay, right. Okay. So now let us see next screen. So client is an independent legal and organizational units of the unit that group. So we can create this is for example, Wipro group or Reliance group like this. Under you can go to create that yesterday I explained you the company codes ABC, ABCAG, ABC, INC. Information for this is separate products are there. So we will go to create this one. And ACB has a different locations also there. So one is you can maintain 1000, 2000, 3000. Real time also you can maintain for each and every category. For products, you are maintaining 1, 2, 3000 like this. Again, go to create a location 1000, 1300, 1200, 1300, 1400 like that. So this is comes under personal structure, enterprise structure. This is employee groups. Employee group dividing employees into groups. So active employees, contact employees. Okay, based on the remuneration. Employee groups is dividing employee groups, subdivisions, the employees and into various categories. So retired employees, active employees, external employees, contact employees, like that. So employee subgroups. So trainees, hourly paid, salaried employee, non-paid scale employees. Okay, right. So let us start our configuration like this. So this is a corporate office, this is sub offices, these are the again branches, again departments and sub departments. Okay, let us see that. So now today we are going to discussing or creating the company here. The new company will be created. So come to the, you can ask for your, this one, access also. So I'm going to creating this in. Now check this SPRO. Okay, so now it is coming to the starting from. So here, yes, we discussed these all activities yesterday. So now I'm going to creating HR structures. Please write down. HR structure which contains HR, enterprise structure, personal structure, organization structure, under which you can create company. Company is not there. Write down company, company code, personal area, personal sub areas. Under personal area, create employee groups, employee subgroups, payroll area. So under the organization management, you can create org unit. Each org unit has its own cost center. This is finance stream, own cost center. Org unit, job and positions. So these all activities comes under human resources. So I think it is done. So now what is company? Company is a client or vendor, so which is 6-digit one. So this will be created by the finance people in the real time. That is called group of companies, where the business activities is going on and where you can maintain profit and loss accounts. Corporate office. So this could be done by this company will be created before you only, by the finance people only, because they need to add your parent cost center to read out to record all the expenditures of entire organization. So that comes under your group of companies or that your highest identity of your company. Okay. So once it is done, so they will also create company codes also. So up to here they will be taking care. So finance activity, that is company code. So for example, I will take this Lenovo, or you can take Dell. So Dell computers, Dell desktops. So separate product, desktop is separate, Dell, that laptops are different. Otherwise, take another one, Lenovo mobiles is a product. Lenovo laptops also one product, separate products. So each product, creating a products, that is computers and infotech limited. For example, you can take Wipro company also. So earlier Wipro has manufactured computers also. Now it is into totally infotech. So if you take Mahindra, Tech Mahindra is Mahindra Group. So they were creating here the tractors, and other product is they're creating cars, manufacturing of tractors, and also software. It's also the same product from the Mahindra. Okay, so that also have the own cost center again. So whenever you create company code, or personal area, personal sub area, anything like that, at that time the system will give you a unique number for you to store that all activities in one customized request number only. So that I will explain on the system only. Because you need to save all in one number only, under one number. So that has to be transported from the development server to quality server to production server, transportation of the configuration data. So that's why you need to maintain all activities under the one number only. Clear? So this is infrastructure. Okay, including you can also create. These are all in infrastructures up to here. Personal area. What is personal area? Personal area is the location that what I explained right now. So New York, if you take that Indian scenario, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida, Pune, Mumbai, Calcutta, these are all areas. In India, in the Hyderabad, again you have the separate branches are there. For example, take Hyderabad, Gachibowli, okay, Madhapur, High-Tech City. So these three sublocations. Sublocations are there in the location, Hyderabad location. If you take Bangalore, so you know the Bangalore very well. So Marthali, okay, Whitefield, or BCT, BTC, right? So these are some of the activities. If you go Pune, Injwadi, Sharada Nagar, like that. So there are so many companies are there in Sharada Street and as well as in Injwadi. Okay, so these are sub areas. Pune in sub areas. Bombay, so Bombay, that is, Navi India and Marine India. So that also Marine Bombay, Navi Bombay. Okay, in that area you have the sub area, that is called sub areas, personal sub areas, X, Y, Z places in the same city. Done. So now, so rather this picture also, this is very important. I am explaining these are all activities again. So human resource structures are divided into three parts.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay. 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 So now we are discussing this one, personal structure. So personal structure which containing of employee groups. So that is you can create active employee, permanent employee, contract employee, trainee, retiree, and termination. So in which you can create sub areas also. That is employee payable, monthly payables, weekly payable, bi-weekly payable, different. Okay. So now let us come to the system. How to log into the system? You will be provided this 800 client for training version. So this is called IDS to learn SAP. Username will be provided like this. Username, any name, and password will be like this asterisk. Select English language, otherwise defaultly that English language is coming. So whenever you log into the system will show you the first screen is called as end user, easy access screen, in which you have the command area. In the command field, you can add SPRO, then SAP project reference object, this command to go to implementation guide. Then we will get that implementation guide for the purpose of functional guys and technical consultants also. So now we will go to the practicing this on the system. So before going to that, so which company we are going to create? What is the name of the company? Please tell me. Under which I am going to explain this enterprise structure. So I need to go for vendor or client. Right? I am going to vendor. Vendor, client, company. What company name? Please tell me. Any company name, please.
Sir, IDMC Limited.
Huh?
IDMC Limited.
Please, chat box, please. IDMC. So I don't know this product name. So please tell me the one by one. So I'm asking you step by step. So IDMC Limited. So you prefer for Indian payroll, US payroll. That you should be clarify now itself because I'm maintaining the address here. So whether you are run with the payroll, Indian payroll or US payroll. US payroll is standard payroll. That you need to decide. Okay, we can decide tomorrow. So I am going with this one as it is a IDMS, right? IDMC. That is USA group. So what are the products are there? Product names, manufacturing or it is in software industry? What manufacturing? What are the products are there? In manufacturing means what? Yes, dairy, pharma, machines. Okay. So dairy products, dairy machines and the pharma machines they are manufacturing. Now let us go to the dairy. So this is dairy products, dairy machines. So another is pharma machines, right? So this is again the company codes this is. So we can create separate products here. So now I am going to adding that one is at New York, one is at Texas. And also one is at New York and one in Texas also there. These companies wherever you have the personal area and personal sub areas. so that you can maintain any street, gem street. So this is any field names. You can put up XYZ or high tech city, gem street, and in Texas also X place, Y place, New York also AB place, BB place, something metro rural. So this is a infrastructure totally. Please draw picture. So go for US payroll only because it is international payroll. Indian payroll is limited. So we will not get so many projects here. So better to go for US project only because US has very good taxation and a very good benefits also there. Done. So you can ask for today that access. So we get it the access so that you can also practice that step by step you can write. So what are the steps are there you can write it. So here you can I'm explaining the step number 1. Log into the system arrow. You will get easy access. First screen. Use decode and get it AMG. Go to infrastructure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Define company. So this is what I'm going to create in company dairy missions, pharma missions. Pharma product, dairy products, right on it product, right? Dairy products. Dairy products. And this is pharma products. Because it's very clear it is products. Okay, so after that, I think you can write it. I will get something. So you don't worry about the company country specific payroll. So everything is 90% payrolls are same except taxation. So people will say that some people you are not well with the Indian payroll. Some people will say US payroll is great. Some people will say that UK payroll. So UK payroll is very good. So every payroll is very good. Every payroll is 90% configuration is same. Okay. And after completion of that, you can go to see that statutory provisions and taxations are different from country to country. Okay, now if you return this, now you can write down path here. So how to go with the path? Login, easy access, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So after define company, go to new entries. Because when you go to there define, there are some entries already there. But in the real time, no entries will be there. Now let us go to add fill all columns. So when you save this data, system will give you customizing number, unique customizing number, unique customizing number. So to store the all the activities there only. Right? So that is one of the activity. And the second act, please write down all the activities when you are writing path. This is called path. So please put the arrow marks. Means next step, next step, next step, like this. So whenever is the activity, you can maintain like this. One is X and 0. So you can use that. Okay. So now I'm going to there. So now you can open the screen. So this is my username. This is 800 client. Welcome to IDS and password. Enter. Case sensitive also there. So see that case. So here. Okay. So now let us go to add. Yes, this is easy access. Now you can add, these are the transaction codes which is frequently using. So this is menu bar, this is standard toolbar, this is title bar, this is application toolbar, here is message also there. So now I'm using SPRO, SAP Project Reference Object. So now go to IMG, this is customizing project. Okay, configuration customization. So these are all activities are available. So now I can select here. What is that first activity after IMG enterprise structure? This is a node to open arrow. So this is documentation, and after that go to definition, go to financial accounting. In the financial accounting, we are going to creating company, define company. So this is like activity. You can just write down like X and round it. So now this is where I'm going to creating company structure. Go to, so just click on activity only. If you click on here, it's not going to activate. So if you click on here, it is not activating. Okay. So go to why you need to create company. So definition also there. So this is definition. Company. You can create companies. Companies is an organizational unit in the accounting which representing business organizations according to the requirement of the commercial law. Commercial law means mercantile law, where you can maintain profit and loss account for that company. Right? So much of definitions are there here. You can read out whenever you have a time. Okay. So now let us go to create company, define company. So whatever I have shown you path, the same path I am approaching. So now go to right. So these are some companies already there. So for example, ABC Electronics INC. This is change button, change and display. This is detailed button. So open this. So Bangalore, Marthahali, ABC, INC, incorporation, go to back. So now many companies are there here. So same company is there, same number is there, system is not going to open your number, right? So there are so many companies are there here. So because so many persons are practicing this. So many means there are nearly 100 companies are there. Okay. So now what is my next step is after coming to the define company, go to create company, new entries. So this is I'm going to add in ID. What is that? IDMC US 6-digit one. In the real time also we can add numbers only. So IDMC USA Incorporation. So go to maintain. This is Jump Street. So postal box number 100. Any number. Postal code 10022 is for New York. I'm going to for New York company. So this is my country code USA, US, English language, maintain, currency USD dollar. So if I use this F4 key, so I will have this all the list here. So if you use your F1 key, here, so system will give you the detailed note on this. This is currency, local currency should be added. Okay. So if you check this, you will have these three buttons are there with the drag buttons, employee, that is possible entries are there. What is country? Yes, the country of the company, where the company was there. So this is basic information to create company. So whenever you save this, system is asking to save this under this prompt customizing request. So customizing request means what are the company you created that has to be added in one place only. So this information, company information is being stored here under the 880 table, V underscore T 880 table. In that we have the many companies are there. So now this company for US, just last week I created this for our company only, our Max Institute only. So here you can go to create new one, but how many companies you created? That is called own request. So I have created, these are all companies here: Google India, Ford US, so Yesland India, Rini US, SAP US company, Deloitte also US company, right? So what I did here, so why you need to save this? This customer request number involves user activities. So how many activities I used here? So if you check this, system will show you that how many activities you have done under the number. So this is 204, yes, 20, lastly 902046, and backend also system maintains same number. If you check this number, these are all activities I created. I created a company, I created company code, I created company assignment of company, employee groups, employee subgroups, employee subgrouping, employees grouping, personal areas, administrators, administrative group, payroll area, payroll group. So attributes have been created. See, many activities are there here. So in each activity, these are there. If you go with the Rini, Ford, Deloitte, so Deloitte payroll is completed. So if you check under this one, you can see, yes, these are all activities are there. So you store these all activities under one number only. That is called unique number. So here unique number is, this is company which number is there, ECCK 902461 for Ford company. But you can create your own. This is create new request. First time only you can create, only one time. So go to create here, IDMC US for just understanding which payroll you are there. So INC. So when you create this number, only first time you should create. So the number will be changed and name also will be appear. So go to save this. This is save button. This is delete button. This is X. This cancel button. So save button. Yes. So system has given 902665. Continue with this. So always you can go with the continue only. So this is your company. How I am created company. So now I'm going to create in second step also there. So go to create company codes. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. So what are the company codes are there? Dairy products, pharma products. Right? So I'm going to create, is it okay? So go to create and select here second one, select and choose. Otherwise you can just go to double click there only. So somebody is using this Ayaja. So I'm unable to see that, but you can able to view this. So this is called company code. So n number of people they have created this company codes here. So this is called your, yes, you can see Meghana Steels, Muhammad Group, so MVP company, MCP Enterprise, such a company, but I created Deloitte. So see Deloitte company, Deloitte or Google, Hindustan Levers. Yes, I created this one. Android Maps. So if you check this, Deloitte, so Deloitte, yeah, Deloitte Consulting, Deloitte Infotech Limited too. Okay, such a way you need to create products. So tomorrow you will see that. Please practice and go to create and generate your customized request number, unique number and further activities are to be stored there only. Clear? Yes. Anything else you can discuss? Any question from Rathod? Please unmute yourself all.
Yeah, I'm understanding that. Good.
No, sir.
Okay.
Not now.
Okay, Krishna, okay. Krishna, okay. Vidya? Vidya? Hello, Vidya? I'm unable to hear you. Altaf, what about yourself? Okay. See you tomorrow, same time. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.